What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at VIPoffers.com, the affiliate CPA marketing network. Exclusive offers? Join the #1 exclusive offer network today. Ooh, that sounds promising. Experienced team, highest payouts, award-winning. #1 affiliate program, really? Since inception, we've paid out over $2 billion in earnings to our affiliates. Holy fuck, for reals? Our distinguished company has been awarded numerous accolades, blah, 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 can join. All right. Exclusive tools that drive profits. Exclusive offers. VIP is home to 100% private offers that you won't find anywhere else. We cover all popular genres and build our site in-house from the ground up. Okay. So we can customize everything. Highest payouts. Trusted company. 20 years in the affiliate marketing space. In-depth statistics. Well, I usually make these tutorials for you guys, but now I am interested. Massive payouts. Online games, dating, VR, 100% exclusive direct offers, proven winners fully tested. Since we control and build all our offers in-house, all right. Join today and learn about the offers that will make you huge profits in, well, 2019, yeah, maybe 2020. Payments on time, every time. At VP, we take your payments seriously, 20 years. Weekly payments, that's nice. On time, 99.9% uptime. Trusted affiliate network. Cool, sounds good. $2 billion, holy fuck. All right, let's sign in. And once we sign in, we see this. And this is what I like to see. Professional network. I'm on Jessica's account from Team Debaru, and we're going to have a look. VIPoffers.com. What we see is the dashboard, today's ratios, offer ID and name, raw clicks, unique clicks, conversions, rate, EPC ratio, and income. You win some, you lose some, as long as the outcome is the income. My all-time favorite quote from that Drake song. Traffic volumes, quite a good overview. Then we have offers, reports, and support. Offers, reports, support, notifications, and your account. So let's have a look at the offers. That's usually what everybody's most interested in. Let's just go through the verticals first. So they have... Okay, so you can select per geo, but they have a lot of adult dating, cheater, fit, cheating, dating adult. Can I not have more offers on one page, please? The verticals, dating, mainstream, dating adult, and games adult. So it's all in the sexual sense, if you know what I'm saying. All right. Ooh, what did I do? Go back. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They have a fuck ton of pages. But you can all see, like, I'm not gonna say it because of YouTube, but you can see it for yourself, right? What these kind of offers are. A large variety of geos as well. So you are for sure... actually, all geos exclude the following countries. So probably these are the geos they don't run in. Does it make sense? Perhaps. You see what I have is pay per sign up, per profile, per registration, per unit, per email, double opt-in. So if you look at the single opt-in one, let's have a look, see? No single opt-in available? Nope. Per sign up, pay per sign up. There we go. Lots. And the signups are probably sales. If you look at the payout amount, like $60, they must make a sale. I would want to check out the landing pages to give you guys an indication of what it looks like, but I can't because it's all adult. And I don't want YouTube to flag my ass, you know what I'm saying? So this is the overview report where you can find your income and all the statistics, conversions by geo, conversions by device. Very easy. You can even go into detail. Offer lenders, geos, sub-tracking. Ooh, geos is nice if they show it on the map. Like, yeah, they even pointed out where it's from. And you can even dive deeper, earnings per click, conversion rate, income. These are basically custom-made drill-down reports in VIP offers. Really nice. I was super pumped until I found out they only do dating and we don't run dating. So that's a shame. VIP offers, make some sweepstakes. Let's go. Okay, then the payments. weekly support, FAQ, there we go. Because we want to know how fast we're going to get paid. At this time, we have a variety of free trial adult offers, including membership, casual, adult gaming, and webcams. Nope, not for me. I don't run that kind of traffic. When do I get paid? You pay weekly, you get paid weekly, net 10 days. So you run, yeah, it's fine. We all know what that means. What is the $1,000 is our minimum payout? Holy shit, that's a lot. For beginners, that's a lot. How do I get paid? Wire, $27 fee. ACS only for the US, else Payoneer, Paxum. That's good, that's good. Everything else is pretty basic. VIP offers, the dating realm. Well, they do have everything in-house, as they said. I want to know who awarded them the main, what's it called? This thing, award. But other than that, payouts look good. I haven't talked to the team, but they're all exclusive offers, that's right. Too bad it's all dating, which I'm not a fan of, but if you run dating or you run adult traffic, for sure check out VIPoffers.com. There's a link in the description down below, and you can check it out. It runs basically in all tier 1, tier 2 geos. They're all included, so there's nothing you can miss when you look for success. I want to say something else, but I'm gonna say success. VIPoffers.com. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll sure to have a look. And see you guys in the next one.